I do.
Republicans attack Apple over release of pregnant man emoji for iOS. We talked about this. I kind of felt that there was going to be, honestly, in it, I was kind of like a little bit more reactionary. I was just reacting to the appearance, to the additional emoji option.
Yeah.
But I, as soon as we were done filming that clip, I was like, oh, right, there's going to be a whole set of headlines and political conversation around the existence of this particular cartoon. But I know emojis mean a lot to people, way more than to me. As I told you previously, I'm a one emoji guy.
Yeah.
And
very specific.
And of course, it's Apple, and Apple is just this huge brand. But somebody said in the comments to me that this particular emoji update is more like across the board. It's just that this is the first time it's showing up on Apple's side. Like, you're going to see the pregnant man elsewhere.
Really?
At which point, who are you mad at? I don't know.
Oh, so Google has one already?
Let me just explain the pregnant man to you. All right.
Okay. Wow.
Because can you play that theme song again? That opening track?
Where are you going with this?
Yeah! You still had it!
Yeah.
Let me explain a pregnant man to you. Let me explain it. All right. The pregnant man would be a male appearing like a male.
Don't screw this up.
Yeah, okay, hang on. Let me just hang on a second.
All right.
Appearing as a male, like presenting as a male, pronouns as a male, but uterus, still uterus.
Okay. Yeah.
You see, I don't have to even be that descriptive because you know where I'm going here, what I'm getting at. So that person is a thing that exists. That person. Like a person that looks like that exists. And that's what Apple is aiming at, or not Apple, but like emoji culture in general is aiming to. And, as far as I can tell, I think there are other places to place this. Like, I don't know how outraged people actually are versus the headline stuff that even we're involved in, which is, that anytime some sort of significant change happens, you're going to get both sides of it just getting all
riled up,
getting the feathers. What is that saying?
Ruffled the feathers.
The ruffling of the feathers. It's almost like clockwork, right? It's like one side is feeling this way, the other side's feeling that way, and each side is ready to go. You said when we started the show, you said you want to go, like you threatened me. Remember that?
I did, yes.
That's what happened. The story isn't even really there yet. And everybody's like, you looking at me? You talking to me? You got a different point of view? You better not. Careful.
Yeah.
I noticed it myself too. And some people pointed this out. Like, you're covering so many topics and talking so much, and you're having to be so aware of all the potential combat that's going on out there over everything. And it becomes hard, even when you've got a pregnant man cartoon.
Yeah, man. That's why I don't say a lot.
Really do.
I mean, you gotta
keep it straight.
I mean, at the end of the day, it's what you have, and so it's but it's fun. I don't mind walking the tightrope, but I'll tell you one thing: everybody's gonna slip. Learning how to walk the tightrope, and even the trained professionals, they're gonna. That's what the safety thing is for, when you're walking a tightrope.
Right.
Only the most seasoned veterans do it without the rope, the tightrope, like without the extra rope in case you fall off the tightrope.
Yeah. What was that, solo climbing? Well,
I mean, if you're on a mountain, but I was talking more about the tightrope because it just.
Oh, right, yeah.
Anyway, a lot of people are pissed. I feel like I didn't even fully flesh out the headline there. A lot of people are pissed. They say it's the evidence that like some sort of this is not biologically proper, you know, and that it's going to give the wrong idea, and it's the beginning of the downfall.
Yeah, it's always a betting on the future, it seems like, these things. It's like this is a very slippery slope,
That's
as
right.
people would say.
That's right.
You know.
So anyway, it turned into a political issue, left, right. And, of course, as you already are probably aware, left loves it and right not so much.
Mm-hmm.
So there you are again. And then the majority of the public is somewhere in between those two far apart parameters. Regular humans.
Yeah.
What do you got, Mo? Do you have an update for us here? You're looking very concerned over there.
A few people are complaining about the audio.
Yeah.
What's with the audio?
Your voice is going too loud and quiet, but I'm not hearing it.
It's because of the screaming.
It does have anything to do with the screaming. Does it have anything to do with the screaming?
Yeah, maybe.